Mama the mama. Where did you get all these ones?
Hey! Hey!
Mama, only you get all these ones.
Listen.
Hi everyone, you're welcome back to your girls channel. Of course, your favorite chef Ella. Just like I promised, I'll be dropping the part 2 of the party food I made. The first was the fried rice, and here is the banga soup. And also, it's not just the banga that you'll be watching, you'll be seeing how I punish my mother-in-law on her birthday. So make sure you watch to the end to see her reaction. So guys, this is my banga, fresh banga fruits. I thank God for my sister-in-law that was around that very now, because she helped me to wash all those banga fruits, and I just allowed it to boil. I added some dry fish and also the banga stick. Make it this boil now. They bring out that sweet aroma. This is outdoor cooking, like everywhere was swine. So I covered my pot. Guys, check out now. Look at this beautiful wooden spoon. I got this food from my mother-in-law store. That woman a party woman, like from time to time they cook. If they know they do this party now, so she has all these things. So I went there, mama, the things I need. I'm adding my crawfish now. So I'm stirring up everything. I'm adding salt. I will just put every necessary thing that the soup needs. Look at now, this big fish is for my dear mother-in-law. I gave it some incisions so that the taste, as in like it will be properly cooked. Don't fear, it will cook well. I'm adding the remaining fishes now. It's a party day, so we are going to enjoy. See, if you really want, I've made a video of how to make banga soup. I will still drop the link on the description box. So if you want to learn how to make, just go there and watch, because I'm just somehow fast in this particular one. So guys, at this point, if you're still watching and you've not clicked on the subscribe button, if you're new here, I don't know now, what else do you want? What else are you looking for in a channel that you can't find here? Please subscribe if you're new here, and also like this video. Thank you. I'm adding the blender spices, the banga soup spices. I just added it, so I'm adding my periwinkle. See, banga soup needs periwinkle, but if you don't like periwinkle, no problem. Just cook without it. And this is the dry leaf for the banga soup. They call it belentete. This is what brings, in fact, it's complete. It seals it. In fact, the flavor of this particular leaf is made in heaven. So I'm just going to allow this soup boil for more 4 minutes, 5 minutes, and we are done. Because the people that will eat this food, they're already hungry. They can't wait. They can't just wait, because the aroma fills everywhere. So remember, like I told you, it's also my mother-in-law's birthday. So I'm going to, I want to see her reaction, like because she doesn't even know I am making this for her. So I want to see how she's gonna react.
Mama the mama. Where did you get all these ones?
Hey!
Mama, only you get all these ones. This is food for 3 days.
Only 3 days.
It's a birthday, Jare.
Too much.
It's a birthday. Enjoy it. Mama, kwaka This is full fish.
They don't give you the. Where will
I leave the head for me? You can beat it from the tail.
I should start from the tail. Hey.
Mommy, you got that for them. You remain for me now. No, wait for me. But with this head,
The day you celebrate
this head
your
looks
own,
this head looks good though.
everything about it look good. The day you celebrated your own, you didn't remember for me.
I remember for you did not come now.
I saw your table.
You did not come.
Wait, listen. Oh,
Oh. Mommy, this head is calling me. Oh, what is she and her mom?
agale,
Hey, this.
agale, yeah.
Tomato.
No, when I was so darling. It's around here.
Mommy, whether you invite me or not, nah, I will come.
Wait.
I will come.
Wait.
Yeah.
Yeah, you will hear.
I'm not what I'm saying now. We are not playing. We are not playing here.
Wait.
The Bible says share. Share.
Yes, Bible says share, but don't wash your hand like that. I'm the one to give you permission. Wait, I will tell you when you.
I should be eating these ones. This one is here. And what is this now?
No problem. No problem.
What is this thing, Chef Ella?
It's strawberry.
What this one, Uncle? What did you cook here?
It's Banga soup.
Banga soup.
Yes.
So because of my mommy birthday now, where my own?
I don't be jealous, so your own was bigger than this.
I never did this as before.
Now banga soup and fish I want for my own. You give me chicken. I am chicken. Would you compare chicken with banga soup and full fish?
Emma, otu the one young. I don't kill you. Yeah, okay. How the hand lemon here? Hand lemon here. How the hand lemon? Oh, hey, check. Oh, what? Oh, okay, man. Yeah.
This one is very sweet. Is it this thing? It's sweeter than this sweet. This banga is very sweet. And I thought,
No one.
so sweet. Oh. It's not as if I want to eat.
Exactly, you want to eat.
It's not that I want to eat.
Tell the truth.
It's not that I want to eat. I'm okay with it. You can go strawberry.
Strawberry.
Strawberry. I'm only strawberry. Or robbery. Strawberry.
Now don't put hand there. That fish is not for you.
From me.
I never use this
From me.
before.
Like why are you sure it's telling you? Look at how sweet this thing is.
I don't know, man.
Look at how sweet this thing is. Anybody that feels this thing alone is liable to go to a fire. You don't know.
Jesus is so.
Eh?
One jalo around my table. Wa le nye mo din ya ara do mo mala. Mala no mu am.
I'm a good now. This thing.
Come on, dear.
Wow.
Mom is giving it.
Onye mmechara. Wo ono ya. Ehu m echi.
That will be contented.
Mara ma obo otu a ka m ji aju. Ma m ji echejikwa echi.
That will be contented.
Oh.
I'll be very with the tail.
Yeah.
I am contented with the tail.
This boy, this your last born, no them.
You know those days, mommy, that in those days, last born, that time you will cook food like this finish, you will do kanda and oba for that day. And I'll be looking at two of you. Waiting. And there's no people not coming. I'm gonna take as last born now. So it must continue.
You are not a man.
Now, I will now.
Last born man. So allow mommy
Who call you in this matter?
Well, I mean, I can't wear what I am. Now, when you move, I will you according to forget that child a baby and now. I'm not going to tell me every day.
I don't love Allah.
We don't mind too soon, ma'am. Every weekend, I'm not going to I'm going to forget.
Hooray!
Happy birthday!
Hooray, love you. Chop
Yeah,
light, chop light. This one.
Let me rinse the cup. Come rinse the cup.
Yes,
Yes,
yeah,
Come rinse the cup. Come rinse the cup. Take now.
that is it.
I don't want to enjoy our fish now.
Take now.
Baby. Okay,
No. No.
Mama, I don't know, ma.
Amen.
I don't know, ma. I don't know.
Amen.
I don't know, ma. I don't know, ma. So.
Ah, baby,
Before we go now.
they carry a
So we have to claim the prayer. So we have to eat.
La peba, hapeba here. Ma to no ya.
What on ya?
Kam to no ya.
Come make I can see. Come see ever. He see ever. 1, 2, go.
Oh God, you might just have to draw my hand.
Awo.
Wait.
Chileke.
Ew.
Let me tell you now.
Chileke. Oje yuno. Onye gwelu no maaze. Nje mekaria.
See, I'm watching you people, my children. If you don't do this thing for me, you get full catfish.
Mekaria. Oje azu nje afika mba ahụ za jito.
Amen. Amen.
Chima bara maobi. Chima bara maobi. Chimed. Ya kakwa ni jere mere nnago. Ya kakwa ni jere mere nnago.
If you near here, if you near here.
Ya he jere mere nnago mgbe taa no mbia. Oh. Mama ya ba le na.
Amen.
Well,
O tie. Annem.
happy birthday. No, record. So this was courtesy of Chef Ella.
Why you tell you she like her?
Honestly,
You think that?
Mommy, thank
that is done.
You know what I'm doing, huh?
I can testify that before I married Chef Ella, I was like, Okoro.
Ole shincha. Onye onye mere ọda ụdị ihe a ezigbo ego ka ị ga-anapụta.
But mommy, as a bachelor, I was eating well. I was eating well.
Yes, you are eating your body and there was.
But it did not show in my body. It's not as if. I was not as if it's the food. I was eating well. I was eating very good.
Nyema.
I did not fat is my nature, but why she made me fat now? It only God can explain. Because
Abuhu here nyechara you were eating well. Mama,
I didn't eat this one. I did not eat this one. I did not eat this one.
Oríṣiríṣi ń dẹba. Dry fish.
Huh?
Dry catfish,
Dry catfish, fresh catfish, periwinkle. You call it banga?
Yes,
Banga soup.
Banga soup.
Ileri banga soup.
Banga! Hey, listen, please subscribe.
Yes.
Show love to Ella.
I'm telling you.
Reach the greatest mother in the world. Happy birthday.
Yeah, give our mama a beautiful birthday.
She is the best of the best.
Best.
No other best can quantify to this best.
I tell you.
It's not by mouth, it's by
tell
action,
you.
not by words.
I tell you.
God bless you. All
Don't worry.
Amen.
All I do now, ma.
Amen.
Amen.
Oh,